Have you ever noticed that even a perfectly drawn eye can look strange because of the eyelashes? Today, I will reveal 3 secrets that tutorials usually don't talk about. We'll look at the tricky convergence line of the eyelashes in a front view, see how a 3D structure makes everything easier, and I will show you a way to stop being afraid of ruining your final drawing. The biggest mistake beginners and even some more professionals make is trying to cheat perspective when drawing eyelashes straight on. Usually, they either draw everything mirror symmetrically and leave an empty spot in the middle, or they tilt all the eyelashes at the same angle, or they combine both approaches. It ends up looking lifeless. Here's the thing, an eyelash is a 3D arc. In the very center of the eye, due to perspective, this arc turns into a simple 2D straight line. Your brain rebels. I don't get it. Is it 2D or 3D? Better just skip this part. Don't listen to it. Draw straight lashes in the center and use tilted ones on the sides to make it more realistic. The second mistake is thinking of every eyelash as a separate hair. This leads to chaos in both structure and direction. Instead, imagine all the lashes as a single 3-dimensional shape, a ribbon wrapping around the eyelid. When you understand the form of this ribbon, the direction of every stroke becomes much easier to find. Do you know that feeling when you spend hours drawing an eye and then ruin everything at the end with crooked eyelashes? The third mistake is drawing your final lashes directly into your finished piece. To prevent this, use 2-step protection and the hieroglyph method. Step 1. A full rehearsal on a scrap piece of paper. Set your masterpiece aside and take a blank sheet. We aren't just practicing strokes here, we are completely simulating the final work. First, apply a ghostly, barely visible structural layer. If you don't like the shape, erase and fix it until it's perfect. Then, write over that sketch, starting adding depth layer by layer. Your goal is to train your hand and eye to memorize this path from a faint stroke to a crisp line. Step 2. An identical repetition on the final drawing. Now let's go back to the eye. Your hand already remembers everything. We are going to repeat the exact same algorithm. Start with a weightless base. It gives you the right to make a mistake and builds confidence. Only when the structure is in place do we move to the final stage. The finale, the hieroglyph method. These are the decisive strokes. Think on them like writing a hieroglyph. This is the moment when careful preparation turns into one precise, confident flying movement. This single gesture creates a lively, sharp eyelash tip, something you can't get by drawing slowly. Voila, done? See? Now I'm not afraid of straight eyelashes in the center. We keep the overall 3D form in mind. Begin by rehearsing the lashes layer by layer on a separate sheet and only then move to the final drawing. If this lesson helped you tame eyelashes, subscribe! There are many more secrets ahead for your sketchbooks. See you there!